Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of secret recipes, and let me tell you, there's nothing more exciting than uncovering the hidden techniques behind classic dishes. We're talking about the tricks of the trade, the subtle nuances that elevate good food to bloody brilliant. From slow cooking methods that would make your granny weep to unique preparation rituals passed down through generations, these secrets are the backbone of culinary tradition. We're going to unlock those traditions, break down the science, and give you the confidence to recreate these dishes in your own kitchen. Get ready to roll up your sleeves, because we're about to get our hands dirty. And for God's sake, pay attention. This isn't some amateur cooking show. We're going for perfection. Listen, any donkey can brown some meat and chuck vegetables in a pot, but to create a beef stew with depth, with character, with tenderness that'll make you weep with joy, that takes respect for the process. Slow cooking isn't just about convenience. It's about breaking down tough fibers, rendering fat, and allowing flavors to meld and intensify over time. We're talking low and slow, like a Sunday morning, coaxing out the natural sweetness of the vegetables, the richness of the beef. You want the meat to be practically falling apart at the touch, infused with the soul of the broth. This isn't a race, it's a marathon. And trust me, the finish line is a damn delicious reward. Kimchi, it's pungent, it's alive, it's a flavor bomb waiting to explode in your mouth. This isn't just cabbage, it's a testament to the power of fermentation, a process that's both an art and a science. We're talking about encouraging the growth of good bacteria, the kind that transforms humble vegetables into a tangy, spicy, umami-rich masterpiece. The key here is precision. Temperature, salinity, time, get any of these wrong and you'll end up with a soggy, stinking mess. But nail it and you've got a condiment, a side dish, a flavor enhancer that'll elevate any dish it touches. This is fermentation at its finest, a controlled explosion of flavor. Forget your pasta machines and fancy rollers. Real noodle masters know that the perfect texture comes from the hands. Hand-pulled noodles are a labor of love, a dance between dough and determination. It's about feeling the gluten develop, stretching and folding, coaxing the dough into silky, elastic strands. This isn't just about making noodles, it's about understanding the soul of the dough. Each pull, each twist, each fold contributes to the final texture, the springy bite, the way the noodles cling to the sauce. It's an art form, a meditation, and the results are bloody delicious. Chapter 4. Traditional sushi rice, the foundation of perfection. Sushi isn't just about the fish, you donkey. The rice, the humble foundation upon which every beautiful piece of sushi rests, is just as crucial. We're talking about short-grain Japanese rice, cooked to perfection and seasoned with a delicate balance of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Get the rice wrong, and the whole dish is a disaster. Overcooked and it's mushy, undercooked and it's like chewing on gravel. We're aiming for fluffy yet sticky, each grain distinct yet clinging together in perfect harmony. This is the canvas upon which the masterpiece of sushi is created. Chapter 5. Tandoori chicken, the dance of fire and spice. Tandoori chicken, with its vibrant color and smoky depth, is a testament to the power of marinade and the fiery kiss of a tandoor oven. This isn't just about grilling chicken. It's about creating an explosion of flavor that'll blow your bloody mind. We're talking about a yogurt-based marinade, infused with ginger, garlic, chilies, and a symphony of spices. This isn't just about flavor, it's about tenderizing the chicken, allowing it to absorb the smoky essence of the tandoor. It's a high-heat ballet, resulting in juicy, flavorful chicken with a char that's simply irresistible. Chapter 6. French baguette, mastering the art of the crust. The French baguette, with its golden crust and airy crumb, is a thing of beauty. It's a testament to the power of simplicity, of quality ingredients treated with respect. This isn't just bread, it's a way of life. We're talking about a slow fermentation process, allowing the yeast to develop those characteristic air pockets and that slightly tangy flavor. The baking is crucial, a delicate dance of steam and heat that creates that signature crisp crust and chewy interior. This is bread making at its finest. Chapter 7. Moroccan tagine, slow-cooked flavors of the Medina. A tagine is more than just a pot, it's a vessel for flavor, a symbol of Moroccan hospitality. This ancient cooking method uses a conical clay pot to trap steam, creating a slow cooking environment that intensifies flavors and tenderizes meat to perfection. We're talking about aromatic spices, cumin, coriander, saffron, mingling with tender lamb or chicken, sweet dried fruits, and crunchy nuts. It's a symphony of textures and tastes, a culinary journey to the heart of Morocco. The tagine does the work, allowing the ingredients to meld and marry, resulting in a dish that's both comforting and exotic. Chapter 8. Italian risotto, the patience of perfection. Risotto. It's creamy, it's luxurious, and it's a bloody test of patience. This isn't just rice, it's a culinary art form, a delicate dance of constant stirring and gradual addition of broth. You can't rush risotto, you can't ignore it. It demands your full attention, your constant stirring coaxing the starch from the rice, creating that signature creamy texture. We're looking for al dente perfection, each grain cooked through yet retaining a slight bite. Get it right, and you'll be rewarded with a dish so exquisite, it'll make you want to lick the plate clean. Chapter 9. Greek moussaka, layers of comfort and tradition. Moussaka, a Greek classic, is a symphony of textures and flavors, a testament to the power of layering. It's not just a casserole, it's a celebration of fresh ingredients cooked to perfection. We start with a rich, flavorful base of ground lamb, simmered with tomatoes, onions, and aromatic spices. Then comes a layer of tender sliced eggplant, fried to golden perfection. And finally, a creamy, decadent topping of bechamel sauce, baked to golden brown perfection. It's a dish that's both hearty and sophisticated, perfect for a family meal or a special occasion. Chapter 10. Spanish paella, mastering the socarrat. Paella, the national dish of Spain, is a feast for the senses. It's a vibrant tapestry of flavors and textures, a celebration of rice, seafood, and the smoky soul of Spain. But the true test of a paella lies in the socarrat, that thin, crispy layer of rice at the bottom of the pan. The socarrat is the holy grail of paella, the result of precise heat control and a keen eye. It's about coaxing those precious grains of rice to caramelize, creating a crunchy, savory crust that's bursting with flavor. Get it right, and you'll be transported to the sun-drenched shores of Spain with every bite. Well, there you have it, you lucky devils. 10 classic dishes, 10 sets of secret techniques revealed. Now you've got no excuse for serving up bland, boring food, do you? If you enjoyed this culinary journey, if you learned a thing or two that'll elevate your cooking game, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share these secrets with your fellow food lovers. Now get back in the kitchen and make me proud.